Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to see love in the general for the sign of Libra. So watch this video if you're a Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, or if you're dealing with one. Keep in mind these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate. If it do not resonate, do not try to deliberately fit in. Check in any other placement. If you want to have a personal reading, link is in the description. If you want to follow my Instagram, the link is in the description. Now let us see messages for Libra. First we'll see your general message and then we'll go to your love message, okay? So give me general message for Libra, please. What is happening? What's the general message for Libra, please? General, okay, Three of Cups. Wow, this looks like some sort of celebration. I see that you are trying to enjoy time by yourself. So it's like recently you walked from a situation which was emotionally draining you, and I see now you're prioritizing your happiness. Some of you will be reuniting with somebody, so friends or family or whatever. I see some good times ahead, and with the holiday season coming in, so we definitely can understand what this could be. So some of you, you're meeting friends, family for the holiday, or you are just going to spend time by yourself and enjoying. So I see that you're prioritizing your own happiness and you're focusing on your own happiness and you're trying to celebrate something, okay? What else for Libra? Knight of Pentacles. Some of you might also be traveling, and this could be work related. So this could be like a foreign travel or could be work related move. So maybe you got a job in a different country or a city. I see this is going to bring in a lot of expansion for you. So yeah, if you're getting an opportunity and you feel this is good, then you should go for it. Some of you also feel that very unexpectedly love is going to come into your life. So if you're single, then you're not going to be single. Like how there is this reel on Instagram, you're too cute to be single. So I see you're too cute to be single and you're not going to be single anymore because there is somebody who wants to offer you a relationship. This could be an earth sign or a water sign. Like somebody is up for a connection with you. You might not know it right now. Some of you, you have been manifesting it, but you don't realize it, but it's coming in, okay? Very unexpectedly, I see something is about to change or become very spicy in your love life, basically. It's like a new person coming in. This person could be younger than you, or they are just very dynamic. So they are going to come in and spice up your world, basically. So the optimism that you had been missing in your life because of this Eight of Cups, like you walked away from a situation which was very toxic, very draining. I see things are going to turn around for you, okay? So I see, yeah, like a career opportunity coming from a distant place, or some of you, they could be a travel. And I see some sort of reunion with friends or family, and you will be having some sort of celebration. So look forward to that, okay? Anything else for Libra, please? And then we'll go to your love messages. King of Sword. Some of you, you need to pay attention to your documents. So maybe like if you're signing a document, just make sure that you read through and then do whatever you have to. I also see that you're going to get whatever you deserve. So it's like if for some time you have been feeling as if you do more work but you're not compensated equally, then I see universe is doing justice to you. So I see the situation is going to get balanced, okay? So you will get whatever you deserve. Some of you, if you're also having a legal situation going on and you are the one who's at the right, then you're going to be getting your justice. With the Three of Pentacles, I also see some sort of partnership is going to happen. Like I see in your reading that be open to partnerships, be open to reunions, be open to people helping you, because sometimes when we work very hard all by ourselves, we become very stubborn and we don't want to take help from anybody, and that kind of depletes you. So don't be stubborn. If somebody offers you help, then take it. I also see some sort of work partnership or some sort of partnership is going to be benefiting you, okay? So just try to take help. Yeah, I see you will be working in groups and team and it's going to be beneficial. So yeah, that was your general message. Now let us see your love message, Libra. The general message is for people who be like, do you only do love readings? No, bitch. I do whatever people want to hear from me, and people want to hear love messages. What do I do? What the fuck do I do? All right, give me the present energy for Libra in love. What is happening? Devil. Ooh, so see the same Eight of Cups energy is repeated here. I see there was something very toxic in your relationship. Maybe there was a codependent connection, so somebody was just trying to feed off of your energy, and this person was trying to take advantage of you and all of that. I see you're trying to take control back. So you are not letting somebody kind of dictate your life, but you are realizing things in your life and you're trying to take a control back. I see you're releasing yourself from some sort of codependent situation, okay? And you're now trying to focus on your own growth, your expansion. You're trying to bring some sort of balance in your life, some sort of routine. So maybe you're like making plans for yourself, like this is how I'm going to exercise, or this is what I'm going to eat, and these many hours I'll spend at work, and these many hours I will study, and all of that. You're basically putting a plan up for yourself, okay? And you're trying to detach yourself from something which was very, very toxic. What else? Two of Cups again. Love is finding you. So you might not be interested in love, but I see love is pretty much finding you. I see somebody is very determined to be in your life, and somebody has a lot of love for you. You are constantly on somebody's mind. This could be an Aries or could be a water sign for some of you. Some of it's a Pisces. Somebody is constantly thinking about you. So you know what, Libra, I see that these days love is not a priority, but you know, it's said that when you want something the least, that is when it finds you the most. So this is exactly that situation when you're trying to walk away from connections and love just keeps coming up, okay? So it's like one of those situations where universe wants to bless you with love, and you'll be like, no, I don't want love, and universe be like, no, you want love, you don't know. You want love, you know. So I see some sort of connection is coming towards you. Somebody is going to open up to you, and somebody just wants to be with you. Okay, what else? What else for Libra? Four of Pentacles. However, I see you're very focused on your own stability, your money, like something about your career could be on your mind, and you just want to sort something out when it comes to your stability and career. So right now you think that my stability is my priority and I will just sort out the love situation later on, but then love keeps showing up for you. I see you are manifesting something in your finances, so maybe something is worrying you when it comes to your stability and career, but you don't have to, because I see with the Magician that you have everything that it takes to work this situation. You just have to do the right thing at the right time, okay? Something that you have been manifesting for career or money, I see some sort of good news coming in that regards. Okay, what else? Wheel of Fortune, see? And I see there is somebody who just keeps showing back in your life. So somebody just wants you and they only want you. And you're just trying to, you are somehow trying to juggle through your life. You have a lot on your plate these days, but then somebody is not leaving you. I see somebody might be popping up the question to you. So if you have an intuition, some of you, because I saw the High Priestess, so you have an intuition that this person is going to do this. I see your intuition is correct, okay? I also see that these days you're just trying to let go of everything, and you're not, you know, like you're not taking the control in your hand. You're basically trying to give the control to the universe, but universe is just turning things around for you. So somebody who was very inconsistent in the past wants to show up, and they are not going anywhere, you know, like this person keeps coming back and back and back to you. And this is very unexpected for you, some of you. Like you never expected this person to be so persistent of you now, but their stubborn ass is not leaving you. Okay, what is Libra feeling towards this person? Yeah, you think that you don't deserve this person. You think you have so much to offer, and this person was very inconsistent. Some of you feel that this person's motives are not right, so you doubt them heavily. This person might have ghosted you in the past, and you might have just given yourself a closure and moved on, but this person is not leaving you. Five of Cups. Yeah, you like definitely had some sort of low moment with this person. Like maybe they left you when you wanted them the most, and this connection has been very on and off, and it has emotionally depleted you. You don't trust this person no matter what. And let's see this person's energy towards you. King of Pentacles. But they want to spoil you. This person wants to be a sugar daddy or sugar mama. Okay, so you don't want this person, but they want you. They are ready to take the risk towards you. Some of you, when you wanted this person to take the risk, take the leap of faith towards you in the past, they never did that. And that kind of depleted you a lot, to the point where you don't trust them. You think this is done and dusted for good and you don't want them. This person definitely gave you sleepless nights and a lot of anxiety, but now they want to spoil you. They want to be your sugar daddy, sugar mama, and they are ready to take the risk towards you. Some of you, this person is definitely younger to you, or they behave very young to their age. Okay, somebody is very mature here. You had a very difficult past with them for sure. Like this person has been a mess. And that is why you don't want to go back to them. And let us see what's going to be the outcome here between Libra and this person. Knight of Pentacle again. This person and their stubborn ass is not going anywhere. Libra, somebody is not leaving you. This person is very determined to be in your life. However, I see you both are going to have some sort of argument as well, because when this person comes up, you'll be like, fuck off, I don't want you. However, I see this person still, they want you. Like, they don't want to hear what you want, they want you. Like, this person is fucked over you. They can't think anything about anything except you. Somebody is in their head about you and they want you, that's it. They can't get you off their head. See, the Lovers. Some of it, this is a soulmate or twin flame shit here. That's why, you know, they keep coming back to you. So, oh God. What is the advice for Libra here in this situation? Your advice is to speak your truth. If you have something, speak it up. Don't try to sugarcoat things. I see you have a lot to say, but you have been holding yourself back from doing that. You need to speak what you have to say, okay? The Justice and the Empress also says a lot of expansion is coming in when it comes to your career, your personal life. So don't try to sabotage your growth for anything, okay? Don't let this relationship get into your growth. Like, keep your personal and professional life separate. Also, you need to balance your emotions. I see sometimes you're too practical, the other times you're too intellectual. You need to find a middle ground, okay? Also, trust your instincts. I see your intuition is trying to tell you something and you're not paying attention to it because you're too clouded by your outer circumstances. 8 of Pentacles and 10 of Wands. Okay. Some of you, I see that you guys will be together after all the drama, to be honest. And I know this is very cliche, but this is what the cards are telling, you know. It's like this person is a drama. You know they're a drama, but you enjoy that. See, 4 of Wands. You guys are going to be together. It's going to be very rough though. Like, it's a very rough situation between you and them. But I see regardless, there's going to be a happy ending. Some of you definitely see marriage on your cards. Or like a commitment on your cards. Give me message for Libra. Someone just wants to communicate with you and they're not going anywhere. See, make the effort. Somebody is like very persistent to make an effort towards you. It is safe for you to love. Some of you, you might have really changed this person. Getting to know each other and heart-to-heart conversation. A lot of communication is going to happen between both of you. Like, they have a lot to say to you. So somebody is ready to open their heart to you. And they have a lot that they want to tell you. They want to explain you. Some of you, you might have changed this person because this person definitely was a piece of shit in the past. But maybe you changed them. I don't know. Give me message for Libra, please. You broke my heart. Ooh. You think this person has broken your heart, so you don't trust them. I definitely see that. What do we do now? And you're like, what do I do now in this situation? Make yourself your priority first. Some of you, you're just prioritizing yourself. As I said, you're not trusting this person enough for now. I'm manifesting you in my life. But this person is manifesting you. You make me weak in the knees. Like, this person, they think that you are the one for them. Like, you are the only person who can make them go weak in their knees. And they are manifesting you. You don't trust this person clearly is what I see. Like, you think this person is toxic as fuck. But I see ultimately after all the drama, you guys are going to end up together. So this is a weird reading. It's a very weird reading. I miss you. They miss you. Will you marry me? Somebody is about to pop the question to you. They're about to pop the question to you. That was the reading. Hope this helps and resonates. If it does, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. I will see you very soon in the next video. You guys take care, stay safe, bye. Happy holidays, you guys. I love you so much. And thank you for all the love and support. Bye bye, take care.